honestly is a very different video from the videos that I usually post on here. For today's video, I wanted to review a product that I have been wanting for so long and I've been waiting for, and have finally had the chance to get my hands on it. And so I decided that I wanted to try it out and review it. So as you can tell by the title, today we are reviewing Fenty's cream bronzer. Rihanna just came out with her cream bronzer and cream blush. I was on YouTube and I saw that she did a Fenty summer face makeup video, and the way she was using Fenty cream bronzer, I absolutely fell in love and I definitely wanted to try it out, and I'm super excited to try it out. Before we dive in, just a few things about this product. So the cream bronzer comes in 7 different shades. Today I am in the shade Teddy. So first things first, the packaging is super cute. I can tell a lot that went to it. I actually did open this product when I first received it. I was just so excited. But the packaging itself is super cute. It definitely screams just Rihanna vibes. Love that it's mirrored all over the outside, especially the gold. You can tell that she definitely put a lot of thought into it. Watching in Rihanna's video with her using this product, she said you can apply it anywhere you want, using your hands, a brush, I think even like a beauty blender. So we are going to try all 3. So first I'm just going to use my fingers. So wow, it's very pigmented. When I did forget to say, I did all of my makeup. One thing I didn't do is like bronzer and blush and highlight. So she did use a brush, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. I just have this Real Techniques Expert Face brush. So this I'm going to use my fingers and the brush. Here's the application of the bronzer. I feel like I didn't use enough, even though it looked like a lot. Very pigmented, I will say. But I think I want to build it up just a little bit more, a little higher. I like that. I think it makes it look very like natural, not too harsh or has like any streaks on there. I do want to try this like on my jawline. I really like the way it's looking right now. It gives it like a nice airbrush finish. I definitely really liked the product, the way it's applying with the brush. I want to try it with the Real Techniques sponge just to see how it'll look with the sponge, and if it's more buildable, if it's harder to apply. So let's try it out. So I have my sponge damp and ready to use to apply. I think I'm going to use my finger again, and then I'll use the sponge to blend it out. I don't know how I feel about that. It just kind of like is like blotchy right there, and it could just be because of the sponge. I'll try it again just in case. So far I'm not liking the sponge. Going to apply it. I don't like the sponge. I think I'm gonna move to the brush. Well, okay, I'm gonna try just a little bit more product. It looks like a lot, but trust me, like, it's buildable and it blends well. The brush is just so much better. I'm gonna do the rest on my jawline and then my temples as well, and then we can look at the finished product. So I just finished applying the rest of the bronzer on the side of the face, and then I also did go in with more on this side and put more product on the rest of my face, just to warm it up a little bit, because I did notice that I didn't put as much product as I could have. So it's definitely buildable. Definitely would recommend applying with like a brush instead of a sponge. I just noticed that with the sponge, the product ended up looking like really blotchy on my skin. I just didn't like the way that it was coming out. I'm gonna finish with blush and highlight, and then my look will be finished. But overall, if I would just went out like this, I would be fine. Okay, so I just finished my look. So this is the finished product. From far away, this is what the bronzer looks like on, and then I'll come up close a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Overall, I really liked the way the product applies. It's super easy to apply. I like that it's buildable, so if you just want to go for something like real quick and natural, you can just quickly apply it. If you want something more intense, more of a contoured look, you can build up the product. I love that it comes in 7 shades. Usually there's only like 2 to 3 shades that you can choose from. I would definitely recommend this. I definitely think that it is an investment. $32 isn't too bad. It is kind of up there though, but I definitely would say that it is worth the investment. It, again, is such a great product. I love the finished look as well. And if you're interested in trying out this product, I would definitely recommend doing so. I will have the link in the description box below, so that way you can just easily go there and try it out yourself. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want, feel free to hang out and check out my other videos on my channel as well. Definitely a very different video for me, but I had so much fun filming it. I absolutely love watching beauty videos, and I hope to continue to make more videos like this for you guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below for me. And I think that's it.